Welcome to the Greedy Garden channel. So this video is going to be about the no dig debate. Well, it's not really a debate, it's two ideas. Obviously digging's been here for centuries, no dig's last kind of 30 years really. But the reason I'm doing this video is I saw something on TikTok the other day, and it's one of these videos where a beginner's started. So they do a nice little fast video regarding no dig. So they come in, they dig a patch, they put planks down for the raised bed, they put cardboard down, and then they use this cheap looking compost on top. Lots of views, lots of likes. For me, that's all wrong. If you're going to be a no digger, don't dig the patch beforehand, and just use better compost really. But we won't talk about no dig, that's different. This is all about pro dig. I'm a pro digger. It's what I prefer. I enjoy the exercise. I have tried no dig. I've had a few patches, and I've had my brassica patch as a no dig bed for 3 years. And what I noticed is the quality of the soil was really poor after 3 years. There were still obvious layers, the clay, the compost, and the bits on top. It was just no magic worms were bringing anything down and mixing it all up. And the quality of the brassicas was really poor. I had club root developing, cabbage root fly, and just the general quality of the veg was poor. I've also tried it for my sweet corn as well, and I prepared that patch with cardboard and decent organic homemade compost, and that year my sweet corn was really poor, really horrible tasting sweet corn, and it just didn't grow very well. So I've binned the idea. I don't like it, and I just prefer digging. I like digging patches when I harvest the veg, and then I'll sow green manure. That does all the work for me, so I don't have to do too much at one time. I just do little and often. I use green manure a lot. There's a lot of work for me, and I just like digging before winter, and I love seeing a hard frost break down the big clumps of clay, and I like incorporating well rotted manure into the patch, and I just generally find my veg quality is better through digging, and that's me personally. I'm just not telling you to be a digger, because everyone has their own preferences. I'm just giving you my experience and some food for thought really. You're also exposing pests and diseases, so you've got slug eggs, you've got other fly eggs in there that you're exposing to predators, and you're killing a lot of the disease in your soil when you're exposing it to the hard frost, and that's what I kind of like. So that's me really. I also like, in some patches, digging deep, so double depth in the spade, and you can get to the yellowy, light browny clay, and I kind of call it unlocking the clay, because we know that clay is the most fertile growing medium. Brassicas, beetroot, absolutely love it, and you unlocking this yellow clay, bringing it to the surface, it breaks down, you're adding organic matter, and it produces loam, and loam is the best growing medium. So no cardboard or compost, even your own homemade compost on top. Loam is the best growing medium, and that's what I find. So just to show you my soil, so let's have a look at this. Very crumbly now, and you know this was big clay clumps before winter. It's broken down nicely, so I've got a bit of green manure in there that I've chopped up. You can see the same for my brassica bed. So now at the moment I've got broad beans, so beside each broad bean I'll be planting a cabbage, so the nitrogen from the broad beans will feed the cabbage and make a really nice leafy green. Here again, you know, this is beautiful stuff. A lot of people don't like clay, they find it difficult, but you know, if you dig it before winter, late autumn, and you get a nice hard frost, then it breaks it all down, and you can add well rotted manure or your own homemade compost, and it's a lot cheaper. So if you're a no digger or digger, let me know in the comments. Let me know your reasons for doing it as well, that'd be great. So and then at the end of the day, we're all growing stuff, aren't we? We all want to be successful growers and grow beautiful veg, so yeah, take it easy.